Hi, I'm Beth DeMayo, president of Healium Hair. Wanted to show you today how you can get this super sleek look with tons of volume using 3 Healium products. So let's jump right in. To start this style, I wanted to make sure that my hair was super healthy and hydrated, and I did that last night using our Recover conditioner. This is our one universal conditioner that partners with all of our shampoos. It's great for all hair types, whether you're fine, thin, normal, thick or coarse. You can use it as a quick detangler or as a 2 to 3 minute rinse out. So to start my application on damp hair, I'm going to apply Quick Fix Leave-In Treatment. This is going to act as my blowout lotion. It has hydrolyzed soy, wheat, and keratin proteins in it that fill in overly porous areas, so it gives a really sleek, smooth finish. It's a cream base, so a little bit. We're gonna work that through the hair, root to end, and blow dry. This is your first time joining me. I ditched my extensions and went to the shorter style after getting some thinning and damaging from my extensions. So we have gone a healthier route. Now, this is a look that you can do if you have fine hair, if you have thin hair. If you have thicker hair, you may not need as much volume, but this will achieve that really stick straight style. Now I'm gonna section off the hair so I can make sure it's completely dry. And here's a little tip too. Once my section is completely dry, I'm gonna hit it with just a little bit of cool air. That's gonna help seal the cuticle. It not only helps with the hair being smooth and sleek, but it also helps enhance the shine as well. You can see here where I'm blow drying and I'm lifting the hair and pulling it from underneath rather than brushing it down. I'm getting, if you can see here, when you brush it straight down, it's very flat. But when I brush it this way, it's still flat, but I'm lifting it away from the root and creating that little bit of lift there. All the way blow dried, I hit it with a blast of cold air at the end just to help seal that cuticle to get it to lay nice and flat. Now we're gonna go in and we're gonna add some volume. Fiberflex is actually a gel base in an aerosol spray. You can use it 5 different ways in the hair. I'm going to be using it today at the root for volume. You can also scrunch it in on curls. You can use it with any hot tools. It does not stick, flake, or dust. You can also sculpt and mold with it, and you can also use it as a firm hold finishing spray as well. Section off the hair. We're gonna do just a little back comb. And then just a little Fiberflex. Okay. Holy cow. All of our products are made in the USA. We are not only PETA certified, but we are Leaping Bunnies certified. Those are statuses you cannot buy. You have to actually apply for and be approved. We are also 100% woman-owned, right here, and made in the USA. We wanted stick straight with volume, right? We're working our way there. All of our products are also water soluble, so they do rinse out with water. So as soon as I wash next, all of these are gonna rinse out. So we've got our volume at the root. Whew, girl, that's some big hair. Now that we've got our volume, we're going to go in with our flat iron and our thermal protectant. So Bodifier can be used in the hair 2 ways, either wet or dry. Used in the hair wet, it's a very soft infusion of body without holds. Used in the hair dry as a thermal protectant. So this will protect hair up to 450 degrees, which is typically the highest that most irons go anyways. To start, we're gonna section off the hair so we can make sure that it all gets sleek and smooth. Once your hair's sectioned off, we're gonna go in with Bodifier. And then in small sections, we're gonna go through with our flat iron and just pull straight down. All of our products are sulfate free. They are paraben free. They are color safe, and they are keratin safe. A lot of people think your products only need to be sulfate free to be keratin safe, and that's not true. They also need to be sodium chloride free, which all of ours are. Our company is headquartered in sunny, beautiful Tampa, Florida. So if you do place an order with us on our website, that is where they will be shipping from. And good hair is something you have to work at. It's like a diet. So if your hair is really damaged from, say, chemicals, bleaching, maybe you've done box color at home, Quick Fix is an excellent leave-in reparative treatment. If you've ever watched a product really absorb or soak into somebody's hair, that's exactly what Quick Fix does. It really is a quick fix. Not saying you have to use all of these products. This is just the combo that I like for this style. I want to show you what you can achieve if you do use them all together. So now we've got the flat iron done. You can see that shine is beautiful. So we're gonna go through and brush it out. Super, super soft. Tons of volume. Oh, and it's movable, it's touchable. You can tuck these. Got lift in the back. And then you can go through with Fiberflex as your firm hold finishing spray. And there you have it, super sleek and straight with tons of volume. I hope you've enjoyed and hope to see you over at Healium Hair soon.